Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'll be showing you how to apply Diamantes onto gel polish, which is super simple and really effective. This is the first coat of the base coat. I've chosen this lovely nude pink colour, which is called Audrey by the gel bottle. This is the second application. This colour is perfect as a base for nail art, especially if you choose to use a darker colour, because a dark colour will really pop against this nude pink. I'm now applying a third coat. You will find with the nude colours a third coat is needed to give an even good coverage. In between each application, pop the nail into the lamp and cure for 60 seconds. I am now going to apply a clear rubber top. A rubber top is slightly thicker than your regular top coat. Sadly, as you can see from my rubber top, that the brush is really stiff, it's not easy to apply and really thick. This is because it is cold. So I'm going to have to go away, pop it in a bowl of hot water to warm it up to make it easy to apply. Now I'm applying the Diamantes onto the nail with a dotting tool. Apply each one individually, and you can always move them around at the end if you're not happy with the placement. Once you are happy with the placement of the Diamantes, pop the nail into the lamp for 60 seconds. As you can see, the rubber top is so much easier to apply. The brush is now softened and is just a lot thinner and easier to put on. This will really help the Diamantes to stay in place, because that's the worst thing when one pops off and you have a nice gap there. It's not funny. Once you are done, pop it in the light for 60 seconds again. Here is the finished nail. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to see more tutorials. Bye!